Can you guess the names of famous Islamic places by their pictures? Let's start the quiz. Guess the name of this place.
It is Hajr-e-Aswad.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Maqam-e-Ibrahim.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Jannat al-Baqi.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Ghar-e-Hiraa.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Masjid al-Haram.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Safa and Marwa.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Masjid-e-Quba.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Gumbad-e-Khazra.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Ghar-e-Sour.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Masjid al-Qiblatain.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Masjid al-Khayf.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Jabal al-Arafat.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Mina, the tent city.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Masjid an-Nabawi.
Guess the name of this place.
It is The-Rawdah-Mubarak.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Masjid al-Aqsa.
Guess the name of this place.
Qubbat aṣ-Ṣakhra.
Guess the name of this place.
Al-Marwani Prayer Hall.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Imam Ali Mosque.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Imam Hussein Shrine.
Guess the name of this place.
It is a great mosque of Kufa.
Guess the name of this place.
Shrine of Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Al-Azhar Islamic University.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Imam Raza Shrine.
Guess the name of this place.
Blue Mosque, Sultan Ahmad Mosque.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Sulaymaniya Mosque.
Guess the name of this place.
Umayyad al-Mosque before and after war.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Badshahi Mosque.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Shah Faisal Mosque.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Masjid Wazir Ali Khan.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Data Darbar.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Faizani Medina, Karachi.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Hassan II Mosque.
Guess the name of this place.
Al-Qarawiyyin Mosque and University.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Great Mosque of Jenny.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Baytur Rahman Grand Mosque.
Guess the name of this place.
Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Crystal Mosque, Malaysia.
Guess the name of this place.
It is Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque.
Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and keep quizzing with Quiz Llama.